Dear community members, we have exciting news to share with you. We are thrilled to introduce a new feature called DEXART Metaversal that will significantly enhance your business operations and maximize the potential of all three spaces. With our new streaming feature, you can now deliver engaging presentations using a small screen while also turning on your camera, unlocking countless opportunities to showcase your products, services, and engage with clients and colleagues. Let's explore how easy and convenient it is to use this feature. To begin, let's join the space where you intend to conduct the streaming. Once inside the space, access the menu and select the streaming option. This will open a submenu where you'll be able to choose the camera and microphone you wish to utilize. Additionally, you'll have the flexibility to select whether you want to stream from the camera or demonstrate your screen on a case-by-case basis for all rooms. In our scenario, let's choose this particular room. Next, let's determine the source of our broadcast. We can opt for the camera to showcase ourselves or choose the demonstration screen to display our content. For this demonstration, we'll select the camera option and see how it performs. Finally, simply press the designated button to initiate the streaming session. Thank you for your attention. Our DEXART Metaversal feature is designed to revolutionize the way you present and communicate. Experience the power of seamless streaming and take your business to new heights. By pressing a button, we can now connect with each other. Greetings, everyone. This platform enables us to chat, interact, and even demonstrate our screens. Let's showcase the desired information by simply pressing the screen. Look, the demonstration is already underway. Our options are diverse, including video streaming, slide presentations, and much more. It works very conveniently. Immediately, you have the ability to switch between the camera and screen demo. Once all tasks have been completed and communication has occurred, we can press the button to cease the streaming process. With this latest update, you will now have the ability to fully utilize your tried spaces, transforming them into even more appealing and functional entities. You will have the power to organize online events, conduct webinars and trainings, as well as create captivating and distinctive presentations for your esteemed clients. Our dedicated team is incessantly striving to enhance the DEXA Meta universe, equipping you with the finest tools to expand your business. We have full confidence that the new streaming feature is an invaluable addition that will amplify your success and propel you to unprecedented heights. Should you have any lingering inquiries or uncertainties, please do not hesitate to reach out to us. We are perpetually at your disposal, ready to provide any assistance you require. Thank you for your attention, and we wish you the utmost fortune in all your future endeavors.